Here's a quicker way to sketch the graph of an inverse function for maths methods. For this question, we need to sketch the graph of the inverse on the same set of axes. Looking at this graph, we can see that we've got 3 points, and we know that for the inverse graph, we can swap the x and y coordinates. And so this means that if we swap the x and y coordinates of this graph, f inverse is going to have the points 4, 3, 1, 2, and 0, 1. And now we're just marking these points on the axes, and then we connect the dots and sketch the graph of the inverse function. Now that you know this technique, try to see if you can answer the 2023 Mathematics Exam 1 Question 7, Part B. It was worth 2 marks. You should be able to sketch this graph quite easily now. Also, inverse functions is a big topic in methods. To practice more questions related to this topic so you can be ready for your SACs and exams, then log into the Maths Methods Club. And from the main topics, select functions and graphs, and then from the subtopics, select inverse functions. Scroll down, go to question type, select take free, and then click on filter. This is then going to instantly group all the past mathematics exam questions in the exam 1 paper just related to inverse functions. And what you want to do is go through and learn each of these questions. This way, you're going to be exposed to a variety of ways that examiners can ask inverse function questions in exam 1. And if you do this, you're going to be ready to tackle these types of questions confidently during your SACs and exams.